What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, bringing y'all some more content. So in today's video, we are going to be installing small but very big. You know, it means something, it adds up, all that good stuff. We're going to be dropping some new content, parts from Boost Auto. Shout out to the boys over there. So long story short, in today's video, we're going to be swapping out the regular smoke lens Boost Auto cab lights for some colored match cab lights, y'all. These things came out super minty, and the best part of it is it came straight from Boost Auto, right? So traditionally, and as far as I'm tracking, there's no other company that you can buy OEM or you can buy colored match parts like this, lighting accessories, straight from them. I know Mirimoto doesn't do it. I don't think you can do it from Alpharex, like all these other companies, right? But Boost Auto provides that feature, so I wanted to be able to flex on that and show y'all what you get when you pay for quality. All right, so make sure you drop a like, thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff. Subscribe to the channel. I want to hear what you guys got to say. If you watch, I'll put a card up. I do have a video of the last install when I installed the Boost Auto cab lights, if you didn't see those. And at the end, the first thing I said was, I wish I would have color matched them before I put them on, because it would have looked even that much more better. But we have some here now, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this. We're going to go out here, pop these out, take the old ones out, put the new ones in, and go from there. So guys, we have the color match mirrors here. We have the wiring kit here. I will not be using the wire. Oh no! I will not be using the wiring kit here because it's already wired up in the truck. So all we have to do is swap out the cab lights. But you can see here we have the module, right? We have the full wiring harness module right there. But what matters is the cab lights, right? And these are color matched to my paint code specifically. That was verified using the VIN, right? Come in here, check these boys out. Let's go. Come on now, y'all. It does not get much better than that. Now wait till we get out to the truck, because I already put them next to the truck to compare it, and when we get out there, it's gonna be nice, man. You guys don't understand, man. Like, I don't understand that, like, small things like this companies offer is what separates, you know, the contenders from the pretenders. You know what I'm saying? So you're probably saying, well, Cam, why didn't you just take off the current ones you have, take them to a paint shop, get them painted? Well, one, Boost offers this service now, so I don't need to do that. And two, I wanted to be able to talk about that service they offer, because that's a super like convenient thing to have. And the quality, pull one of these out without making a mess. The quality that you get, it's second to none. The paint job, y'all. I mean, this right here, like, my goodness, man. Come on now. Y'all see this? No overspray. It doesn't come in all ghettofied looking. Clean tape line right there, right? So this is this type of stuff, right? I wanted to be able to display this product for y'all, so y'all know about it, right? And it's super nice. I mean, it looks really good. So I'm done talking. These are the sequential. These ones are fully outfitted. So this is the sequential turn signals, running lights, obviously. So these are fully spec'd out. It's time to get these on the truck. Just to show y'all real quick, so we got these ones currently installed. These are the Boost ones that I threw on back in February, and these ones are awesome. Sequential LEDs light up. They look good. So we're gonna go ahead and swap those out. Just finished topping her off with some coolant. I had to, apparently this is super common, but if you get that Whirly Custom coolant tank, that fucking sensor, it's like super common for that sensor to leak. So finally I got some RTV, and I RTV'd that thing, and it's not leaking now. So I think we took care of that issue. But I'm gonna start taking these off now. Just a quick little note, these cab lights are position specific. So if you notice, it says 1 2 3 4 5, right? That is because these have to go in a certain order, because if not, instead of it being a sequential turn signals, it's going to be all messed up. Does that make sense? And then we got the provided hardware with the grommets and screws. So yep, let's go ahead and do this. Yo, hey, look at that. My goodness. That's sharp. That is super sharp. Hold on a sec, let me put the hood down. I think that came out real good. Definitely. Obviously the paint on the truck is dirty. Man, that looks sharp. I needed that. It needed that. I think these lights came out really good, y'all. Really good. And it's hot up there. That roof was hot as hell. I kept getting burnt by the roof. Taking the old ones out, putting the new ones in. Get y'all up close. That paint match was money. And so obviously the cab lights is fresh paint. This is, I don't know, paint from 2014. So if I was to polish this, I guarantee you it would match up with that one. I mean, it matches it right now, but obviously you can tell this is fresh paint. But that's when you're up top here looking super close at it. Like from down below, y'all seen it, it looked normal. Like it looks really good. I'm extremely happy with this. I should have did this from the jump. But like I said, these are now features or amenities that you can get with Boost Auto. So if you order them, you can get the option for the paint match. Obviously the paint match takes a little longer, but I personally think it's worth it. I mean, it's a small touch, you know what I'm saying, but the small things is what matters, man, when you talk about attention to details and whatnot. So I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. So now let's see, Friday, obviously this weekend's Memorial Day, but Friday is looking like the day going to install the Boost power steps, the M2 Luma power steps, which I'm extremely excited about. Also, we're also going to be doing a lot Memorial Day weekend. We're going to be doing that. We're going to be doing the Dirty Diesel Customs valve cover. I think that one's going to make this engine bay just pop off even more. What else we doing? I think that's it for now. I've always got stuff cooking, and we got more parts coming from Dirty Diesel Customs as well for more bling. So tell me what y'all think. The truck's been running excellent. We are over 200 miles of break-in on the motor. Feels like it's been forever, but it's only been like 2 weeks, I think, a week, 2.5 weeks since we got her running. So yeah, this is where we at. I still got the wheel liners out because we're about to be doing some suspension work, all sorts of stuff, man. So we chilling, we big chilling. I'm happy. So we're gonna wrap this up. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. Super easy, quick video to bring to y'all. Again, if you wanted to know how to install these cab lights, Boost has a very excellent video. I'll drop a link down below. I have a video. I'll drop a link down below or put a card up. I'm the original install. I did all the wiring and stuff, which is not really hard. It's super simple. Did the wiring, took like 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Wired it into the headlights. They give you more than enough cable, more than enough connectors and stuff. I have extra cable, connectors, all that stuff from the initial install. So you have everything you need. All right. So take that for what it is. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I will have a link for these cab lights down below if you're interested in them. And again, thank you guys so much for joining the channel. Until next time, you guys take care, be safe, and I'll see you guys later.